Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of our series on the ultimate dashcam features for safe and stress-free driving. In this segment, we'll delve further into essential features and functionalities that can make a significant difference in your driving experience and overall safety on the road. Parking mode and G-sensor. Parking mode and G-sensor features are designed to monitor your vehicle even when you're away. The parking mode activates recording when motion or impact is detected, while the G-sensor can trigger recordings in the event of a parking lot incident, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. Consider these key features when selecting a dashcam to ensure you have the most suitable device to meet your specific needs and enhance your driving experience. Advanced features for enhanced experience. In the realm of dashcams, advanced features play a pivotal role in enhancing the overall driving experience. These cutting-edge functionalities go beyond the basic video recording capabilities, offering a wide array of benefits that cater to the modern-day driver's needs. Let's delve into some of the key advanced features that can elevate your dashcam experience to the next level. Wi-Fi and smartphone connectivity. Imagine being able to view and download your dashcam footage directly onto your smartphone in a seamless manner. Wi-Fi and smartphone connectivity allow for real-time access to recordings, enabling you to easily share important footage with authorities or insurance companies. This game-changer feature adds a layer of convenience and efficiency to the traditional dashcam setup. Cloud storage integration. With cloud storage integration, you can say goodbye to the limitations of physical memory cards. This proactive feature automatically backs up your footage to the cloud, ensuring that your recordings are safe and accessible even if the dashcam is damaged or stolen. By leveraging the power of the cloud, you can enjoy a secure and resilient storage solution for your valuable recordings. Voice control functionality. Tired of fumbling with buttons and menus while driving? Voice control functionality offers a hands-free way to operate your dashcam, allowing you to start or stop recordings, take snapshots, or even lock important footage with simple voice commands. This fast-paced and intuitive feature adds a layer of convenience and safety to your driving experience. Lane departure warning system. Stay on the right track with the lane departure warning system. This evolving feature uses advanced sensors to alert you when your vehicle drifts out of its lane, helping you avoid potential accidents caused by drowsiness or distractions. By acting as a virtual co-pilot, this feature keeps you on your quest for a safe and seamless driving experience. Front and rear dual cameras. Capture the full picture with front and rear dual cameras. This dual camera setup provides comprehensive coverage of both the road ahead and behind, ensuring that you have a complete record of your driving environment. Whether it's capturing important details in front of you or monitoring activities behind your vehicle, this dual camera setup offers a 360-degree perspective for your peace of mind. Choosing the right dashcam for your needs. When it comes to selecting the ideal dashcam for your requirements, there are several factors to consider that can greatly impact your overall satisfaction with the purchase. Here are some key aspects to keep in mind. Budget considerations. Determining your budget is the first step in finding the right dashcam. Prices can vary widely, ranging from budget-friendly options to more high-end models with advanced features. Consider how much you are willing to invest in a dashcam and balance it with the features you consider essential for your needs. Installation and setup complexity. Another crucial factor is the installation and setup process of the dashcam. Some models require professional installation, while others can be easily set up by yourself. Consider your comfort level with technology and whether you prefer a plug-and-play option or are willing to spend extra for professional installation. Brand reputation and customer reviews. Researching the brand reputation and customer reviews can provide valuable insights into the quality and reliability of a dashcam. Look for well-established brands known for producing durable and high-quality products. Customer reviews can offer real-world experiences and help you understand any potential issues with specific models. By carefully considering your budget and installation preferences, and researching brand reputation and customer feedback, you can make an informed decision when choosing the right dashcam that meets your needs and provides peace of mind while on the road. Concluding this dive into the best dashcam features, it's clear that choosing a dashcam involves considering a variety of factors to cater to your specific needs. Each feature discussed offers its unique benefits, whether it's the loop recording ensuring continuous footage, the G-sensor for impact detection, or the wide-angle lens capturing a broader view. By understanding these features and how they align with your requirements, you can make an informed decision to enhance your driving experience and ensure safety on the road. Remember, your choice of dashcam features can make a significant difference in the level of protection and convenience it provides while you're out on the road. Thank you for joining us for part 2 of our exploration into the ultimate dashcam features. We hope you found this series informative and valuable in your search for the perfect dashcam. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.